Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download War Thunder application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your App Store. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once you're inside, go to the search box and type in War Thunder and search. Look for this application from Gazine Distribution. War Thunder is a free-to-play cross-platform MMO military game dedicated to aviation, armored vehicles, and naval craft. To get the application downloaded, tap on the Get button and sign in using your Face ID or your Apple ID and its password. Wait for the application to download and install on your device, which will take several minutes. And within a few minutes, you will be able to get it downloaded for your iPhone. So that's how easily you can download the War Thunder application for iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.